Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hobbit feet. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need about 1/2 inch thick foam sheets, a generous amount of brown or dark faux fur, and a strong contact adhesive. Don't forget an old pair of comfortable shoes or slippers to build upon. We'll also use sculpting tools, sharp scissors, and a utility knife for precise cuts. Finally, grab some acrylic paint in a skin tone and a clear sealant. Now, let's start shaping the iconic Hobbit foot. Begin by tracing the sole of your chosen shoe onto a foam sheet. Cut out several identical foam layers, perhaps 3 or 4, to create a sturdy base. Carefully glue these layers together using your contact adhesive, ensuring a strong bond. Once dry, use your utility knife and sculpting tools to carve and round the foam, giving it that distinct, plump Hobbit foot silhouette. Aim for a natural, organic curve. With the basic shape complete, it's time for the signature fur and toe details. Cut your faux fur into pieces large enough to cover the top and sides of your sculpted foam foot. Apply adhesive to the foam and carefully press the fur into place, making sure the fur's pile flows downwards for a natural look. Next, sculpt 5 small, rounded toe shapes from additional foam. Attach these individual toes to the front edge of the fur-covered foot, spacing them evenly. For the final touches, we'll bring those toes to life with paint. Use your skin tone acrylic paint to carefully color each of the 5 sculpted toes. You can add subtle shading between the toes and a few highlights on the knuckles for a more realistic effect. Once the paint is dry, apply a clear, protective sealant over the painted areas. This will help prevent chipping and give your Hobbit feet a durable finish. Let them dry completely for at least 24 hours before embarking on your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.